Well, it's alive. See if I can get it to go again. But essentially, today was cleanup day for it. Try to get some stuff done, change the fuel out. I got a new chain on here, correct size. And yeah, should be good to go. I'm pretty sure I've got that the correct way. You know, I just thought about this, but I think I have it the right way. I guess I'll find out here in a minute. So, yeah. I didn't pay attention. Chain's on the wrong way. So that'll be a quick and easy fix now that I've got it running. That doesn't. Whoops! You fell over. To change this out doesn't take long, but that's what happens when guys don't pay attention to the instructions. And I completely forgot. So this part's easy. It's just I had everything put back together and good to go. And went and tried it on a piece of wood, and it didn't do anything except smoke a little bit. So I'll take the chain guide back off, take the chain off of it, and flip it around. Alright, so I'm going to lay it like that. And then I'm going to go like that. That should be how it goes. Mistakes happen, things happen, you know. Not always going to get things right on the first try. You know, it's like they say, when you don't succeed the first time, try again. But in my case, I always say, don't give up. Keep trying until you get it right. So that's what we're doing. Trying it till we get it right. Hopefully everyone's having a good day. I did a full live video on Instagram, but yeah, so just making sure everything is good to go, and I got to do the adjustment again on that screw. I hate being left-handed. Sometimes it sucks, sometimes it works. Just about there. There we go. So I got that like that, that like that. Always confirm. Always confirm. Don't make that mistake like I did and have it so it's backwards. So now I'm going to try this again and see what happens. See if I got that chain right. That's the part that's always confusing. I gotta do the adjustment here. Make sure that that's good to go. You want to get rid of a lot of that slack. Nobody wants a chain to come flying off of a chainsaw when it's going full blast and bite you. And don't mind the noise in the background. The City Public Works is resurfacing my road. They milled it, now they're gonna put new blacktop down. Alright, so that chain should be good and snug. Yep. Alright, try this again. This, my friends, is why I always check. That chain, it came off. I don't know how it did, but it did. Trial and error. That's why you always see people pulling the trigger on these chainsaws a few times before they get too far. But yeah, like I was saying, today was, or is, just me cleaning this up. Changed out the fuel, checked the oil on it, just doing a couple things. Alright, so what did we have happen here? It's still on the sprocket, so I'm gonna guess that maybe the whole, yeah, I gotta back this off now. Gonna guess something just came loose, was all. Because I got this tight, like there's no slack on this at all. Now I gotta find what I did with the other bolt. Oh, there it is. Whew, don't want to lose that. So I'm guessing I might not have had that chain tight enough yet. So we're going to fix that now. Loosen this up just a touch so I can let the slack out. Alright, so that should be good and snug there. Ouch. Gotta be careful, that'll bite you. Alright, give it another try here. Perfect. I tried it on a piece of dead wood that I have. Excuse me. Worked perfect. So this machine's all set to go. The only thing I gotta remember is if I go anywheres with this, I need fuel. And I'm gonna need to make sure I've got plenty of oil. The chain oil. Other than that, that's it. I'm gonna pack this up, put the cover back on it, clean up my case that I have for it, and be done. So that's it. See ya. Have a good day.